storm agree when you're far away from the home that you'll soon be leaving. Sure, it's many a time by night and by day that your heart will be sorely grieving. Though the stranger's land may be bright and fair, and rich in all treasures golden, you pine, I know, for the long ago, and the heart that is never older. As down the glen one Easter morn to a city fair rode I. There armed lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe did hum, no battle drum did sound its loud tattoo, but the Angelus bells or the Liffey swells rang out in the foggy dew. I sat within a valley green. I sat there with my true love. My heart strove to choose between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think on Ireland dearly, while soft wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. Is Kosulgur Vatu no Gareik Tungran Ton Schnock the Gefressock Faveil Namen Da Kubui Deutsche Stavelin Sov Suit Hui Mary Kinney's go out every night and sleep all day. Since you took your love away, since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whoever I choose. 'Cause